B.A. Gregg, Athanasi Lecture, Chapter 1 Beta. In this lecture, we're going to be covering the definite article, how articles agree with nouns. We're going to be looking at the pros plus accusative limit phrase, similar to the odd plus accusative limit phrase. We'll be looking at the X plus genitive source phrase, comparing it to the X plus ablative source phrase in Latin, and then, of course, the hupo plus dative underphrase versus the sub plus ablative underphrase found in later Latin. The definite article is translated roughly as the or the, depending on how you want to say it, and it must agree with its noun in terms of gender, number, and case. In memorizing them, you see the news found in the accusative, the iota subscript found in the dative, the ace or oo found in the genitive, plural nominative, obviously you see hi and hoi. These are all rough breathing marks. Tas and tus, tais and tois and tois and tone. How nice. Neuter has the nominative and the accusative being the same. That's the neuter rule. And the corollary to the neuter rule is, of course, that they are the same but with a feminine ending. Well, how does this work? That's how it works. There's your second declension and second neuter. Look at the endings. On, o, u, oi, us, ois, on. On, o, u, oi, us, ois, on. You've already memorized it. A, ain. Ah, look at that. It's already memorized in the noun declensions. Definite articles agree with nouns based on gender, number, and case. For example, ho, being nominative masculine singular, agrees with kalos agros, the beautiful field. Ton, being accusative masculine singular, agrees with mikron orikon, both accusative masculine. While tu and agru agree because they're both genitive. Let's take a look at the next phrase we're learning. We've got prepositions, but only certain prepositions only go with certain cases in Greek. N has taken the dative, we saw that. Now we're learning the pros plus accusative to phrase, limit, and the ek plus genitive out of phrase, very similar to this, basically the source. Here's your nice translation. We look to your verb first, baditse, ambulat, same word. And it means walks. Who walks? Hosantias. Hosantias, both being nominative masculine singular, agree. That's the subject phrase. Now pros takes what case? Oh yes, the accusative. Just like in Latin, odd plus accusative. Agron tells you it's accusative, so pros plus accusative, limit phrase to the field. Moving on, let's look at the X plus genitive source phrase. Now, it could be ek or it could be X. Depends on what comes after it. So here we go. We have the verb baditse, same for ambulat, walks. Who walks? Nominative subject phrase, Xanthias. Xanthias walks where? X. X takes what case? The genitive, just like X plus the ablative in Latin. But remember, Greek has no ablative, so its uses get picked up by the dative or the genitive. So here we have tu, agru, X plus the genitive, source phrase, out of the field. And that's it for grammar. So when we analyze this passage that we're covering in 1 Alpha. Oh my, I'm giving away all my secrets. You go to the verb first, or you really don't have to, but here's the verb, esti. Estin means what is. What is? Oh, the small house is what? Or the house is small but beautiful. Well, that takes care of the 1 beta grammar lecture. We'll be seeing you in class with these notes written out and questions on the ready.